Plaster is a material that is used to cover various surfaces. Gypsum plaster is used for interior walls, leaving a smooth surface that can easily be painted. But how is a bag of plaster made? It starts with the raw ingredients. The main ingredient for plaster usually is gypsum. This is a mineral that is mined in many places in South Africa. The gypsum is transported to the plant where it will be processed. Once it arrives at the processing plant, it is first crushed and then the moisture is removed by applying slow heat. The material is then placed into large drums that break down the gypsum into a fine powder. The plaster machine operator will read his orders and mix the different natural manufactured ingredients together to make plaster. There are different types of plaster. The ingredients determine the thickness, texture, quality, and the rate at which the plaster will set. Some types of plaster have up to 8 different ingredients. Once all the ingredients have been put together, the plaster machine operator will start the mixing machine to mix or blend the materials into the correct plaster mix. This is a noisy and dusty environment, and the operator has to be meticulous about safety regulations. The operator collects a sample to take to the laboratory for testing. This is to ensure that the correct ingredients are found in the mix. Once the mix is ready, the operator has to shut down the mixer and open the valves so that the plaster can be packed into the correct bags. Because plaster sets quickly and does not shrink when it dries, it can be used in many different ways. Plaster can be turned into plaster boards, which are ready-made walls for interior surfaces. Some plaster is used to make molds. Because plaster is easy to cut and shape, artists use plaster to make molds for their sculptures. Very fine gypsum plaster is also used to harden bandages around an injured limb. This career is very hands-on, and the work is learned through real-time experience. The machine operator also has to keep records of the quantities that are produced. The job requires practical abilities and problem-solving skills. The plaster machine operator will assist with maintaining and repairing equipment and machinery.